In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Google ads on Android. If you're running a campaign and want to stop your ads from showing to people on Android devices, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact setting in Google Ads so you can keep your targeting focused and your budget working where it performs best. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click Campaigns. This takes you to the full list of your active and paused campaigns. From here, select the specific campaign you want to adjust by clicking its name. Inside that campaign view, look for the Settings area. Depending on your layout, you may see a small gear icon that opens Campaign Settings. Click that to access the detailed configuration. Within the settings, find and open Additional Settings. This section contains more advanced controls that affect how and where your ads appear. Next, go into Devices. By default, many campaigns target all eligible devices, so we're going to narrow that down. Choose the option to set specific targeting for device. This tells Google Ads you want to be explicit about which devices or systems can see your ads. Now select Operating Systems. This is where you control which OS your campaign targets. You'll see options like Android and others. To block your ads from appearing on Android, make sure Android is not selected. If it's checked, uncheck it. If you need to select other operating systems, you can do that here, but the key is that Android stays unmarked. When that looks correct, click Done to confirm the selection. Before you leave, click Save. This applies the change at the campaign level. The update may take a short time to propagate, so don't worry if you don't see immediate shifts in your device breakdown. A few quick tips to make the most of this setting. First, remember that this change only affects the campaign you edited. If you run multiple campaigns and want all of them to exclude Android, repeat the same process for each one. Second, keep an eye on performance after this adjustment. Check your device and operating system reports to ensure your traffic aligns with your goals. Finally, if you're testing device strategies, consider documenting the date you made the change so you can compare results before and after. That's it. Your campaign is now set to block impressions on Android devices. Save your work, monitor results, and fine-tune as needed to keep your ads where they're most effective.